Bro, what? This. Yo, what is up, guys? So yesterday I actually let one of my homies drive my car yesterday, and I forgot to tell him of how to reverse. And we were at we're at a parking structure, which they had those little metal cement things on the bottom, and I forgot to really tell him that I have a new shift knob. You know, it's the likewise shift knob. And for the Genesis, your reverse is all the way to the left and up. So he thought it was a Japanese car, so he's like, wait, most Japanese cars, you know, they reverse to the right. So when he reversed to the right, it hit 6th gear. Shift knob, as you can see, 6th gear. So he went up to 6, trying to get out, and he hit the little parking structure. The lip is all messed up. Let me see if I could try to fix it, actually. I mean, I don't know if I can fix that, but just be able to push this down a little. I actually might think of just taking it off, because it is sagging pretty bad. Let me see if I can actually drop the camera down real quick. I'm gonna need some screws, so I'll be right back. There you go. Two tools you might need to take out the front lip is probably a screwdriver and a flathead. So I got those. Now let's head out. Oh yeah, so I probably have to lift up the car. I actually do have work, so I'll probably fix this when I get home. You know what happens? So right now we're working on my friend's FRS. So we're changing his side markers from this reflective light to this. So you could totally see the difference. Looks black, so it will look pretty nice with his taillights since they are smoked out. And let me know what you guys think, how it's gonna come out. Are smoked, so I think that it's gonna look pretty well with it. Catch you right after the install. I've started. Go ahead. Good job. Hi. No. It's held on by clips, right? Or what are you doing? It's hella dark there, bro. You gotta be over here a little because of the light.
Yeah, so you can't take it off. You can't take it off. You can't?
How did you take it off?
Just open like that. Comes out. See right here, it's held on. So all you gotta do is twist, pull out. That's it. Now we're gonna change it with the new one. Did you get new bulbs too? Yeah. Both sides are off. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's a little dark. Both sides are off.
Side part.
Now, time to change it with this.
Nice and saucy.
Yo, how the fuck do you turn on the side markers?
Huh?
Pipings, right?
No, it's just your signal light.
Signal lights.
Alright,
Rip.
before we put the side markers on, just turn on the signal light, see what happens.
Oh, if it works?
Yeah, because I know I did it for my back license plate later. I had to swap the battery around back the other way around for it to work.
Plug in and play. There you go. You hear a little click. We're just gonna put this in.
You just gotta twist. Push and twist.
Push and twist.
It's just gonna click back in.
Hold on. Leave it like that for now, so we're gonna check it out.
You know how it looks, right?
Go ahead.
Just turn emergency. This one's okay.
Holy shit, this thing is so funny.
What do y'all think? Look at that. Way nicer.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing? You already know. We're back at it. Unveiling a new product that we just got for the Genesis. We got some new car parts. All right, now crack it in 2 weeks. Crazy.
What the?
We gave you the same size.
Rip. Rip.
Where did you get this one?
So,
Reminder, guys, this is why you don't order off eBay. Don't be cheap about your parts. Look, I got one side, right? Look how clean that looks. Just because I wanted to hide the scratches. That looks nice. That looks nice. But look at the other side.
look at
Wait
this.
a minute. What is that? It's the same fucking side. Mother.
I think you can go like this. You can go like this. Just cut off the piece.
Oh my God. What a fail.
That's how you know you can't fuck with eBay. Oh well. Refund. Well, so now we can't install the lip because the people fucked up on the shipping. So now we're just gonna wrap the headlights and taillights.
Open it. Oh yeah, buddy. Joseph, wait. Your side. Alright, so we lightweight finished it. There's still a bunch of creases on this side. You could definitely see it. Trying to fix that right now. Most of it is really clean. I mean, there's a huge difference from this to that. That's pretty dope. One more side to go. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Ooh. Not wrapped. Hey, before we go to Home Depot to get a light, I got to play my playlist. Before we go, we gotta play my playlist.
So we just got here to Home Depot looking for some lights that to help us finish the other side of the car. Damn, I got lost here in Home Depot. Where's everybody at?
Hey, welcome back, guys.
What are you doing?
Let me finish first. Yo, I think I found the lights. Let's go grab one.
Crazy. This nigga's gonna eat it.
Alright, let's go. Doesn't matter, you don't have to record that. What the hell is it? 19 bucks for what? Oh, LED. The white one.
So we just got back from Home Depot, picked up this light to help us out, finish the other side.
Definitely just got done, just finished. So we're gonna see how it looks now with it on. I still gotta change the bottom ones. Those are OEM fog lights to HIDs or even just whites. Alright, Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. Thanks to my brother and my friend right here. Thanks. So we got the car wrapped. Oh, not even the car wrapped, the headlights wrapped. So now she's looking a little more mean. Still thinking that since I bought that, you know, lip on eBay, don't go cheap on lips on eBay, guys. Yeah, that's pretty bad. They gave me 2 left sides, and that's not what I really wanted. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Like, comment, subscribe with what you guys think, and send it.
Ow, that hurts.